Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to spot for all things delicious and nutritious. Today, we're diving into a comforting classic, chicken and rice soup. But we're not just making this heartwarming dish. We're uncovering surprising and little-known facts about it. So, grab your ladle, and let's get started. Chicken and rice soup is a staple in American households, especially during the cold winter months. Its origins can be traced back to ancient times, where similar dishes were made in various cultures around the world. The concept of combining chicken and rice in a broth dates back to ancient China, where rice was often added to soups to make them more filling. In the United States, this soup became popular during the Great Depression as an economical way to stretch ingredients and feed families. The classic American soup typically includes vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, which are known as mirepoix in French cuisine. Chicken soup, including chicken and rice soup, is often referred to as Jewish penicillin, due to its association with traditional Jewish cooking and its reputed health benefits. Studies have shown that chicken soup can help reduce the symptoms of the common cold, making it a popular home remedy. The rice used in chicken and rice soup can vary from white rice to brown rice, wild rice, or even basmati, each adding a unique flavor and texture. The key to a flavorful chicken and rice soup is using homemade chicken broth, which can be made by simmering chicken bones with vegetables and herbs. This soup is often considered a comfort food, providing warmth and nourishment, especially when you're feeling under the weather. The origins of chicken soup in American cuisine can be linked to early European settlers who brought their traditional recipes with them. Adding a squeeze of lemon juice to chicken and rice soup can brighten the flavors and add a refreshing tang. This soup can be made in large batches and stored in the freezer for quick and easy meals. For a creamier version of chicken and rice soup, you can add a splash of cream or a dollop of sour cream. The nutritional content of chicken and rice soup makes it a balanced meal, providing protein, carbohydrates, and various vitamins and minerals. Some variations of chicken and rice soup include adding spices like turmeric, which not only enhances the flavor but also adds anti-inflammatory benefits. In Latin American cuisine, a similar dish known as sopa de pollo con arroz is a popular comfort food, often featuring cilantro and lime. Chicken and rice soup is a versatile dish that can be adapted to include different vegetables such as spinach, kale, or zucchini. Using leftover chicken from a roast or rotisserie chicken can make preparing chicken and rice soup even quicker and easier. The soup can be seasoned with a variety of herbs, including thyme, rosemary, and parsley, for added depth of flavor. Adding a bay leaf to the soup while it simmers can enhance the overall flavor, but be sure to remove it before serving. Chicken and rice soup is often served with a side of crusty bread or crackers for a complete meal. The popularity of chicken and rice soup has led to many regional variations, such as the addition of coconut milk in Thai-inspired versions. In Greece, a version of chicken and rice soup called avgo lamano includes eggs and lemon juice, creating a creamy and tangy broth. For a gluten-free option, make sure to use gluten-free broth and avoid any thickeners that contain gluten. Chicken and rice soup can be made in a slow cooker, allowing the flavors to meld together over several hours for a rich and hearty dish. Adding a pinch of saffron to the soup can give it a beautiful golden color and a unique flavor. Chicken and rice soup is a great way to use up vegetables that are about to spoil, reducing food waste. For a spicy kick, try adding diced jalapeños or a splash of hot sauce to your chicken and rice soup. The soup can be thickened by blending a portion of the vegetables and rice before stirring it back into the pot. Chicken and rice soup can be served as a light starter or a hearty main course, depending on the portion size and ingredients used. Adding fresh ginger to the soup can provide a zesty flavor and additional health benefits, such as aiding digestion. Chicken and rice soup is often recommended for those recovering from illness, as it is easy to digest and nutritious. You can create a Mediterranean twist on chicken and rice soup by adding ingredients like olives, feta cheese, and oregano. The soup can be made more luxurious by using homemade chicken stock, which adds a depth of flavor not found in store-bought versions. For a lower-calorie version, use skinless chicken breast and reduce the amount of oil or butter used in the recipe. Chicken and rice soup can be pressure-cooked for a quick and convenient meal without sacrificing flavor. The dish can be adapted for different seasons by using seasonal vegetables, such as butternut squash in the fall or asparagus in the spring. Adding a handful of fresh spinach or kale at the end of cooking can boost the nutritional value of the soup. For a richer flavor, consider sautéing the vegetables in butter before adding them to the soup. The soup can be made with brown rice for added fiber and nutrients, although it will require a longer cooking time than white rice. A touch of soy sauce or fish sauce can add umami depth to the soup, making it even more savory. Chicken and rice soup can be garnished with fresh herbs, green onions, or a sprinkle of cheese for added flavor and presentation. The dish can be made dairy-free by using olive oil instead of butter and avoiding any cream-based additions. In Japan, a similar dish called okayu, or rice porridge, often includes chicken and is served to those who are sick. Adding a small amount of vinegar or lemon juice can help balance the flavors and add a slight tang to the soup. Chicken and rice soup can be made vegetarian by using vegetable broth and substituting the chicken with tofu or beans. The soup can be spiced up with flavors like cumin, coriander, or curry powder for an international twist. Chicken and rice soup is a great way to hydrate and nourish your body, especially during flu season. The dish can be prepared using boneless, skinless chicken thighs for a richer flavor compared to chicken breast. Chicken and rice soup can be easily personalized to suit individual tastes, making it a versatile and beloved dish across different cultures. And there you have it, folks. Amazing facts about the delicious and comforting chicken and rice soup. Whether you're making it for a cozy dinner or to soothe a cold, I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.